Key implications. Regional tensions spike. A direct Israeli attack on Iranian nuclear facilities is likely to inflame tensions across the region. Iran may retaliate, either directly or through its network of proxy groups, like Hezbollah in Lebanon or militias in Iraq, Syria. U.S. response under scrutiny. The U.S., as Israel's key ally and a major power in the region, will face intense pressure. Diplomatically, to de-escalate the situation. Militarily, to protect its forces and assets in the Middle East. Domestically, to balance political support for Israel with the risk of being drawn into another conflict. Risk of a wider war. This could trigger a broader regional conflict involving Lebanon, via Hezbollah, Syria, where Iranian and Russian forces operate, Gulf states, especially those normalizing ties with Israel. Impact on oil markets or global economy. Any sustained conflict affecting the Strait of Hormuz or other energy infrastructure could spike oil prices, ripple through global markets, and destabilize energy supply chains. Nuclear proliferation concerns. The strike might slow down Iran's nuclear program, but it could also strengthen Tehran's resolve to accelerate weaponization if they perceive military action as inevitable. What to watch next? Iran's immediate response. Will it retaliate directly, through proxies, or via cyber attacks? Statements from Washington, especially from the White House, Pentagon, and State Department. UN Security Council reaction. Possible emergency session or resolutions. Reactions from Gulf states and Europe as they try to avoid being caught in the crossfire.